How's it going, guys? So today I'm going to show you how, some of you are really going to like this one, how to disable the daytime running lights on a first gen Tundra or Sequoia. Okay, so let me tell you a little story. All the Toyota Sequoias have daytime running lights. From 2001, which I believe was the first year, all the first gens all the way up to 2007. The Tundras, it was an option. I think they came standard in 2004 or 5. So here's the issue. The factory lights suck in the first gen Toyotas. They do. I mean, it's like holding a candle up trying to drive at nighttime. It's just impossible. You figure that with a little bit of cloudy lenses, you can't see anything. It's dangerous to drive. You outrun your lights and so on. So how the Toyota system works is it uses, when all the lights are off, the vehicle's running, it uses the high beam lights. Okay, so the high beam side of the halogen bulbs, but it turns the voltage down to 6 volts. Okay, so what you're seeing as a daytime running light is the high beam running at half the voltage, and a halogen light's fine with that. What is not fine with that is LED headlight bulbs. So I've been having issues. I'm on my 3rd set of LED bulbs. They burn out. The fans will not operate correctly, nor will the driver for the LED at 6 volts. They'll last for a while, last for a few months. And I noticed a couple days ago I had a low beam. One side was working, but it was dimmer, right? Now this also goes for Toyota Camrys and Corollas. In fact, my brother-in-law has the same issue with his Camrys and Corollas. Now, here's the difference. On a Camry or a Corolla, you should be able to code that off with Toyota software. I don't know if there's a mechanical workaround for that, but when I hooked the Toyota Tech Stream to my Sequoia, there was no option to turn off the daytime running lights. So that was pre-ECU operated daytime running lights. So I'm going to show you in 10 seconds how to fix this issue. Okay, so what you're going to do is come to the front of the car, and you can see there's a few things I need to show you real quick. I did replace the headlight lenses, the whole lens, the whole module. They're about $22 a piece. I'll put a link in the description for those. If you have, what was it, 01 to 2000 to 02 Tundra, these lights are actually a little bit smaller, I believe. So I'll put the link in there for the Sequoia lights and for the newer first gen Tundra lights. Anyhow, we have LED bulbs in it, and on these you have to get the bulbs that have the little reflector in it. I don't know if you can see it through there or not, but they direct the light forward. You see the little metal hood on it, on the bulb itself, and these actually go on sideways. So the way the factory lights work, they direct light up and down, well, all over, but with these going sideways with the deflector on it, it shines a perfect beam. I don't know if I could find a link to those exact bulbs or not. I'll put a link in there if I can, but I don't know. Okay, so locate your batteries on the driver's side. How you undo it, there's a little gray plug down here. Let me get you in there. And all you got to do is just unplug that gray plug and leave it unplugged. And here, I'll show you. All right, so you can see now the car is running. The daytime running lights are off. That works out splendid. So I guess the next thing I'm gonna do at this point is go order some different bulbs. Okay, so the bulbs I have, they don't make anymore. That's the way it goes, right? I did find some other ones that had the same shroud, the same direction of light. The link for those will be in the description. In the Amazon store, they are on Prime. If you guys don't know anybody with this upgrade, with the new lenses that aren't foggy, with the LEDs, and with the daytime running light bypass, you're missing out. That transforms the whole vehicle. You will not outrun the lights anymore. I thought I'd share this information. This is what I run on the tow rig. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.